Hey, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Voqal to send newsletters, or generally speaking, mail merge emails. So Voqal is very useful to send voice messages to one single person, and you probably know the workflow. Just start recording, hit the mic, just use the shortcuts. There we are. The message is in your email, and then you can just set up some recipients and send it to one person. The easiest way, if you want to send it to multiple people, would just be to put them into BCC, of course, but that doesn't really scale. And with newsletters, sometimes we're sending messages to thousands of people, and so that doesn't work anymore. Gmail has a mail merge feature on their business plan. So if you are on there, you should see a sort of button here, and you can set up the mail merge, and then obviously it works very simply. But maybe you're using another tool like Substack or MailChimp, and this tutorial is about that, how to use Voqal with those kind of apps. And in my case, I'm going to use mail merge, a mail merge app that I've used in the past, but it really looks similar with all apps. So the first step is really to record your message. So this time you would go into the Voqal web app and just hit record and record a voice message that you would send to your audience. That would be the newsletter message, like, hey, thanks for reading my newsletter. Here's what's new about me, blah, blah, blah. And stop the recording, and maybe we call this newsletter voice version. Could be something like this. And you just upload it. So now the message is uploaded, and what you want to do is do copy image. Copy link would just literally copy the link to the voice message, and copy image adds the image which we like in the emails, which is that kind of thing. And so here I'll just create a new template, Voqal, and usually this is similar everywhere where we have this sort of email editor. And so usually we use tags, so we have like hey name, that should look familiar to you. Here is this week's voice message. And then you just paste the image. And so depending on the app you're using, it might look a bit weird. Here, for example, we do see that it looks a bit weird. And so the image was pasted, but the link part has a bit of an issue. So we'll just try to get rid of everything except the image. And now what we see is just the image is not clickable anymore because the link was gone. And this is really specific here. We can just do a test with Substack, and my guess is there it will be fine, but let's just fix it here. So what you want to do is in your system find where you can add links. So here, for example, would be the link thing. So if I select this and add a link, I can go back here, copy the link, and paste the link like that. And so this time my message has become clickable, and we can just save it and close it, and then we'll be able to test it. So now I see this is the way the template would look. If I hover over the image, I see it's clickable, and if I click, well, here it doesn't do anything, but you can see at the bottom here that the actual Voqal link shows up, and so if someone receives that message, they would be able to click. And let's just test this for Substack. Just go back there. I'm not signed in. That's gonna. Okay. Anyway, I won't do it now. But it would work in a similar way. So you just paste the image, and then I will just do a test now. I'll send that email to myself, and obviously, whether this is sending to me or 1,000 people would be the same process. Everyone would get that voice message. Just do it now. There we are. And then let's see when the email arrives. There we are. So email has arrived, and I can indeed click and listen to the voice message. All right. And so that's what I said. And one final thing that is really cool is in the web app, you will be able to, if we just go back here, see the analytics for the message and see if someone has listened to your voice message. So the analytics and see how many people listen to the voice message, and I can see actually on the day I sent it, there were many listens, and then it goes down, and I can see when the message was listened, on which device, and so on. So this is the analytics I was mentioning. Hope this tutorial is useful, and I wish you a great day. Bye-bye.